Drop it.
What's going on, guys? Gabe with Trade 1348, and today I'm absolutely excited. We are officially launching or relaunching Trade 1348, and we have a brand new shiny platform. I'm going to break down all the bells and whistles and how it can make you an absolute monster of a trader. Now, upon signing up, you will be greeted with the Getting Started with Trade 1348. Now, I'm going to break down what you find here on the sidebar, but first and foremost, let's draw our attention to the upper right-hand corner. This is where you would find settings and other administrative options. Let's go ahead and click settings. Here you will be able to toggle on and off dark mode. You would also be able to change your password, disconnect or reconnect Discord. Now, Discord exists solely for community and chat features. You could also sign out. Also, keep in mind, this is where you're going to find your non-professional addendum and your electronic subscriber agreement. This is required by CBOE and Opera. Also, you can manage your subscription here. Here you can go ahead and click cancel. Or you can become an ambassador. What? Yes, you can become an affiliate. Also, we do have gift cards if you would want to gift the gift of life-changing opportunity. Guys, people have been changing their lives on a daily basis, and I'm more than honored to be part of that. Now, let's get back to it. As you can see, ideally, we don't want you canceling your subscription. And as you can see, I'm also a momentum trader at $49. I'm not only an owner, I'm also a client. Name that commercial. So back on the homepage, you will see that you have the learning section and you have the community section. You can join the community if you have not already joined the community, or you can just jump into learning, okay? So let's cover this really quick. Actually, we'll show you where you can find the learning section here on the side menu here. Let's break this down. Now, I want to do this from the bottom up because there's a lot to unpack here. Now, we have solutions for both intraday traders, meaning those who trade professionally from 9:30 to 4 o'clock. And we have solutions for those who currently have a day job and are dreaming of one day firing their boss. We have those solutions for you so you can gradually take those steps to becoming financially independent. So let's go back to the chart here. First off, we can join the conversation. This is going to bring you to the community section of our Discord. We have quite a few thousands of individuals here just absolutely killing it, leaning on one another, learning and earning. Next up, we have options trading here. Now, this is provided by Short the VIX, one of the most, I want to give the compliment without understating, but this man is just absolutely savage when it comes to options, right? So you're going to find this in the learning library. Then you're going to find our bots. And for instance, we have Trader Joe. Now, STV breaks down Trader Joe and how to use it successfully. This bot was geared towards members working a 9 to 5. So if you have a 9 to 5, we got you covered, baby. Moving along, we have Pythagoras, and this one is a predictive day trader. This is a proprietary bot that we are improving on a daily basis, adding additional logic and helping the bot win more than any human could possibly ever. Moving along, we have Invictus. Invictus is our flagship product. And when I say flagship product, Invictus is killing it. Moving along, we have the 1348 strategy. Now, stay tuned and stay glued because we will be adding additional videos here as we add different methods and strategies to the 1348 theology, the absolutely most profitable EMA crossover strategy on the planet. You don't have to take my word for it. Just check them out in the community gains section. Now, let's go ahead and look at the compounding calculator. Now, why am I bringing you to a compounding calculator? Well, compounding calculator. Listen, we subscribe to 1% compounded daily will create the financial freedom you, in fact, are looking for. So we start with 1,000, 1% earned per day. Let's be a little realistic here because I'm not pulling legs. Let's go ahead and calculate and see what a 1% return could do. From 1,000 to 100,000 in 463 trading days. This is about 2 years. Now, what this does is also drives home that we are not a get rich quick system. We are a methodical wealth building program. We're not pulling legs here, baby. All right, let's go back to the menus here. Now, Pythagoras, we're very, very transparent as to the performance of our system. Starting balance 100,000 open August 16, 2022. Currently down -6%, and that is fine simply because the market has taken a tumble. But wait, there's more. We'll bring you along to Trader Joe. Trader Joe performing up 19% since April 21st of 2022. That's also considering that the market is down 16% on the year. Now we're going to get into how we read these alerts shortly. Let's check out daily crosses. Now our daily crosses are designed for the day trader. And as you can see, we have a curated list of tickers, and we'll get into what happens when we expand the ticker and you are introduced to something like this. But I will show you this and highlight this on the day trader menu. Now we have the 4-hour crosses for those who just rather trade in a much more calmer time frame. You do have the 4-hour crosses. Last Friday, we alerted 92 times. You have an abundance of alerts. These are not pump and dumps. These are not follow me trades. These are not penny stocks. These are legitimate companies that you can trade and invest in and build the wealth that you are looking for. All right, going back to the chart here, we have the predictive daily crosses. Now, there's a little confusion as to what Pythagoras and predictive daily crosses are, but we have descriptions here above every item here. And this one, we could see the day predictions alerting system attempts to predict a 1348 cross on a day time frame. You may trade stocks or options on this time frame, with the stocks having a lower risk. Now, for those who are confused and saying, okay, well, what's the difference between day predictions and Trader Joe? Well, Trader Joe uses exclusively shares, all right? Exclusively shares. Trader Joe could be up an enormous amount had it chose to play options. But what we're doing is we're driving the concept home. We're showing you what is absolutely possible. And we have something in the pipeline called Rita, which is a real intuitive trading algorithm. Rita, she's beauty and she trades options and she does so on the intraday and she is absolutely killing it. So moving along, let's go ahead and get into the momentum trader section because this is our bread and butter. Ladies and gentlemen, our bread and butter. Okay, now before I get excited, I want to go back to the compounding calculator. And why am I going back to the compounding calculator? For those who get excited and they're saying, okay, I got to trade and I got to make $1 million today. Because you will feel that excitement once you start trading on the 3-minute. I want you to go ahead and put your goals here based on 1% and your starting amount. And I want you to hit calculate. And of course, you have an earnings breakdown. But with this earnings breakdown, you can absolutely download the XLS and keep your trades humble. Now, why do I say keep your trades humble? Well, we'll get to that in a second. Now, going on over to the 3-minute crosses. Let's break this down. I said keep your trades humble because, ladies and gentlemen, when you are playing options and we break it down for you, you will make a lot of money. You will feel the euphoria of making money, but we have to keep you grounded. Okay. So here we go. We have 3 minute crosses. This is the OG 1348 product. And here you can click on any ticker. For instance, Netflix. You click on Netflix and it's going to give you a drawer. But before we get there, we break it all down for you. We let you know if price is below the 200 EMA. We let you know where the MACD is currently. Is it bearish or bullish? Green would equal bullish, red would equal bearish, and then we'll let you know where the RSI is. Is it oversold or is it overbought? Okay. Make sure you watch our videos as we break down these indicators for you. We have a full curriculum that explains everything. We take you from zero to hero. Okay. Now, going back to the ticker here, let's open up Netflix, for example. Now, what we do is we guide you through the way. If you're not sure of which options to pick on the put side, we break it down. We give you the options relative to the price at the point of the 3 minute cross. All right. We also have options here. You can open the chart. You can go to TradingView, or you can go and download our proprietary custom chart right from here. What's more, you can click and get unusual options. Know what the market sentiment is. Unusual options is great for those who plan on day trading, and it's great for those who are building a thesis for intraday. Listen, we're momentum traders. We don't speculate. We simply do what the market tells us it's doing. Moving along, let's go back to the information we see here. We are giving you the strike 7 days, 14 days, and 21 days out. We also give you the latest news relevant to Netflix. All right, moving along. Let's go to our favorite guy, Invictus. Now, Invictus, let me show you something here. The market has now opened. Invictus begins to trade at 10 a.m. We skip all the early morning market volatility and go straight to making the bags. So here we go. We have Invictus. Invictus has a 63% cross rate. Now, Invictus is essentially an additional indicator on top of the indicators that we teach you to utilize and navigate and improve your probabilities. But with the assistance of artificial intelligence, you have that additional layer of confidence which you can approve or veto the play. Invictus is a solid performer. Most traders would agree. 63% is better than 50%. And this is all you need to build a massive portfolio. Here we go. We have our tickers here, and we have more of the same here with our dashboard. Recent unusual activity, the strike prices that would yield the most profit, whether it's 7, 14, or 21 days. You also have the latest news. And let's go ahead and check out unusual activity with Meta. And we could see here we have neutral, neutral, bearish, bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, neutral, neutral. All right. The market is telling us it is uncertain. Again, we trade with momentum and with a level of certainty and high probability. We do not speculate. We do not pump and dumps, and we do not hope. We trade with laser precision, and we have all of the actionable data ready for you to make that high probability trade. So, thank you for joining us at Trade 1348. This is our full breakdown on our platform, and I promise you, you will never trade the same again. And thank you for coming along this journey with me. No fancy indicators, no complicated trends or candlestick patterns. We break it down and we keep it simple, stupid. When you're looking to make that actionable trade, don't want to overcomplicate the trade. You just want to focus on making money. And that's what we do here at Trade 1348. I'm Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.